Would you like to learn how to make PowerPoint presentations like this with Claude in just a few minutes? And it's free. Let me show you. Come inside. What I created for you was a guideline on how Claude can build your entire presentation in under 10 minutes, a complete beginner's guide to creating that professional slides. No design skills required. I've got simple step-by-step on how to build your first deck with frameworks, with examples, with advanced tips, different content structures that work best, whether you want a classic pitch, the educational deck, the story arc, and the prompts that you can easily copy, mistakes that you want to make sure you avoid, and an example prompt just so you can see what it would actually look like. That's the slide presentation here that I was showing you, step by step, what it came out to look like. I took that exact prompt, I brought it inside of Claude, and let it do its work. It asked me a couple questions, and boom, it was done, showed up on the side. I easily was able to upload that presentation to Google Slides, and what you can also do is you can make changes in Google Slides. Nano Banana will beautify any slides. Let's watch this. Off to the side, it's going to help you visualize what it could create if you want to change any of your slides that you just created inside of Claude with Nano Banana Pro. Now, it completely changes the theme, but you could go ahead and utilize Nano Banana Pro to visualize whatever you want. You can make changes on the side, rephrase exactly what you want. You can add an image. You can change it to an infographic, whatever you want. You just insert it as a new slide. So if you want to get access to this free guide, go ahead, comment below, I want access, and I will send you my link where you'll just give me your name, your email, and you'll get the free guide very easily. And if you want to check this out, I teach vibe coding in Amplif-AI Vibe Coding Society, and this was something I made in just a few minutes with 1 or 2 simple prompts, and I'm sharing the link with you. So I created the artifact that you were able to see how the guide will walk you through how to create a presentation inside of Claude. Artifacts are not difficult at all. I then created the presentation itself inside of Claude, and I vibe coded the lead magnet email marketing intake form. Go ahead and comment below if you want a link to the presentation, and if you want to find out more about vibe coding, join the Amplif-AI Vibe Coding Society. The link will be in the description.